Welcome to the final part of our 3-episode special of Debriefing Design. In part 1, we gave you a glimpse of how we look at space during our initial consultation and put together new spatial layouts for our first-time homebuyers. In part 2, we showed you some of the challenges we faced during the renovation process and gave you a glimpse of how we work with our clients to create the design palette. For part 3, we'll show you some of the custom features we incorporated into the remodel and give you some ideas for splurging on a budget. Finally, we'll show you the before and after transformation of our client's home. This is Operation Give Me a Bath, Part 3. From our client's inspiration images, we extracted the following design essences: contrasting blacks and whites, playful patterns, repetition of elements, and hints of glamour. In addition to the gray paint scheme, we brought in white with prefabricated vanities for the Jack and Jill bath, custom linen cabinets over the toilet, plumbing fixtures, and elongated subway tiles throughout. Tile and grout is a simple way to make a big impact on a budget. For instance, the 6x24 rectified porcelain floor tile we specified for the master bath was inexpensive, but by installing it in a herringbone pattern, we made the floor feel rich. Additionally, grout colors can help further enhance the sophistication of a space. Contrasting grout colors make a pattern pop visually, whereas a grout color that matches the tile makes the floor feel like one uniform material, creating an elegant look. We decided to do a contrasting white grout on the floor to really accentuate the herringbone pattern. While playing with patterns and repetition, we made a subtle accent in the white subway tub and shower surround in both bathrooms. Overall, we used a 4x12 glossy white subway tile, but we incorporated an accent 4x12 wavy patterned matte white subway in the recessed shampoo niches. It's a subtle way of bringing interest to a space as your eye catches the different light reflection ever so slightly, and it's also a very different tactile feel. For the grout, we decided to do a medium gray instead of the standard white to help hide stains and to emphasize the running bond pattern. A design tactic we often use in determining where and how to spend our client's budget is by assessing the frequency a space is used. Our clients are avid wine connoisseurs and love to entertain, so we made the built-in bar a custom millwork element instead of buying something pre-made. Their morning routine was also critical, as the husband and wife worked different schedules and wanted to make sure they did not disturb each other while getting ready. Because of this, we spent time to sit down and design the various components in the master bathroom cabinetry, so their morning routine was able to be completed within the master bath alone without disturbing the other still in bed. After much consideration, we ended up with skinny pull-outs at each sink to store taller bottles, 2 taller drawers with cutouts around the P-trap for storing bulky items, a skinny drawer for makeup at the dry vanity, and a hair station at her vanity with built-in power and grommets for a straightener, curler, and hair dryer. For the wall of linen cabinetry, we designed adjustable shelving on the upper cabinet and located an outlet inside for charging toothbrushes and razors. Down below, we designed a pull-out for a laundry hamper. In terms of bringing in glam throughout the space, we had fun playing with lighting selections and mirrors. In the powder bath, we specified a semi-flush drum ceiling fixture with unique hammered ripple glass pieces that cast playful shadows against the dark blue walls and a simple oval mirror. In the master bath, we suspended 2 oversized round mirrors with antique silver frames in front of the windows, paired up with 2 rectangular wall sconces with linen shades. In the Jack and Jill bathroom, we specified a simple nickel frame mirror and a 3-light bath bar with rounded glass shades. Lastly, to add a subtle touch of elegance throughout the house, we selected hardware with organic curves. We chose sleek bar pulls with rounded oval ends for cabinet hardware, oval and round-shaped mirrors, and plumbing fixtures and bath accessories with subtle profile curves. This project was a labor of love and such a fun collaboration process, transforming our client's first-time home purchase into a custom home fitting for their lifestyle. We split the awkwardly long dining room into a dining room fit for entertainment with built-in bar and separate study with accent barn doors. Taking the space from the racetrack hallway with built-in desk and closet, we were able to create a Jack and Jill bathroom for a guest room and nursery. By shifting the dividing wall between the master and middle bedrooms, we were able to create 2 walk-in closets with plenty of storage so our clients could finally store their clothes in the master bedroom. Each closet has one wall of shelving with an electrical outlet, double stacked rods, and a shelf above for storing seasonal items or luggage. And the best part, with the space from the existing hall and master baths, we were able to create a small guest bath in this magnificent master bathroom. We created multiple options for lighting in various color temperatures so our clients could get ready in the morning using daylight through the windows, the backlit makeup mirror, warm overhead lights, or the daylight on the wall sconces. On a bright day, they can take a long shower while enjoying the warmth from the sun through the skylight. It's always an incredible feeling to see how our design impacts our clients. When we did our follow-up visit a month after our clients had moved back into their home, we noticed that the bathroom counters were completely decluttered. We had asked if they cleaned up for us, but they simply said that we designed a space for all of their things so they no longer needed to leave anything out. This type of feedback makes a design truly complete. Thank you for joining us on this special 3-part episode of Debriefing Design. We hope you've enjoyed the in-depth look at the various parts of the design and renovation process and can utilize some of the tips and design tactics we've mentioned into your next project. Please leave a comment or question below that you would like us to dissect on the next podcast. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for future episodes. Operation Give Me a Bath, case closed.